Hello, hello. All right, so in this video, we're looking at recurrence relations again. And this time, we're looking at how we can find a recurrence relationship if we're given the first few terms of a sequence. So this one says, suggest possible recurrence relationships for the following sequences. And notice that they said suggest possible recurrence relationships, because sometimes there's more than one way to write it. So there isn't just one correct answer. So the first pattern here, 1, 2, 4, 8, 16. So what I'd do is I'd write out the sequence, and we need to find out what the pattern is. That's the main thing we need to do here, find out what's going on. So to get from 1 to 2, I could add 1 or multiply by 2. And then to get from 2 to 4, I could add 4 or multiply by 2 again. So the thing that's consistent here is that we can multiply by 2. Yeah? Multiply by 2. These are getting 2 bigger each time. That's the key thing. So if I want to write an expression for this, I would always want to write it as u of n plus 1. So like this. We're saying the next term in the sequence is something times un, or un plus or minus something. In this case, because it's doubling each time, it's just going to be equal to 2 un. So we're saying that the next term in the sequence is just 2 times the current term. And that's it. Or if you wanted to, another way to write it would be to say that u of n is 2 sets of un minus 1. So to get the term that you're looking for, just do 2 times the previous term. Yeah, both of these mean exactly the same thing, so whichever one you get would be fine. Nice. Now for the second one, if we just scroll down here, again, the first thing we want to do is find out what the pattern is. So to get from 5 to 7, we add 2. 7 to 9, we add 2 again. And so the pattern this time is quite simple. We just add 2 each time. We're just adding 2. And so when we want to write that as a recurrence relation, we see that the next term in the sequence, un plus 1, is just the current term of un, add 2 more. Or again, if you wanted to, you could write it as u of n equals un minus 1, so the previous term plus 2. Yeah, they both mean the same thing. And that's it. That's all there is to it. So just write out the list of terms, think about what the pattern is, and then think about how you can express that with the using un. That's all. Cool. If you have any questions about this or anything you don't quite get, let us know down in the FAQ, and we'll answer that for you. But otherwise, enjoy the rest of your day. Thanks.